What is going on? This is AlTone, and this is my 6-month review of the GoPro Hero 10. So I absolutely love GoPros. This is not my first. And I have to say that if you're a dad or just someone who loves to capture great video, that the GoPro Hero 10 is an absolutely fantastic device that's going to allow you to do just that. First of all, the size. The GoPro Hero 10 is the perfect size to be tossed in a backpack or even just placed in your pocket so that you have the ability to have it ready and available whenever you want to capture a special moment. There's so many features and functions in this little camera that make it so convenient and easy to use. The quality in the GoPro Hero 10 is one of the best of GoPro's action cameras so far. The GoPro Hero 10 captures video at 5.7K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120. This gives you the ability to be able to create fantastic slow motion video. It captures 23 megapixel photos, which is very comparable to many of the consumer photo cameras today. And it will accept a 512 gigabyte micro SD card, which will allow you to capture hours and hours of video. You can very easily switch between camera presets, which is a fantastic feature in this little GoPro camera that allow you to set up for different scenarios in which you capture video most. So you can switch between those presets and have your settings perfect for whatever it is that you want to capture. And of course, there's also a feature called Hindsight and Quick Capture, and both of those are phenomenal. Hindsight will allow you to be able to have the camera continuously capturing video, but it will record 30 seconds prior to you hitting the shutter button on your SD card, so you will not miss that special moment that you are focused on capturing. And then quick capture, which I use a lot. You don't even have to have the camera on, save your battery, just hit the shutter button, the camera will wake up and instantly start to record. And that is an absolute wonderful feature. And last but not least, GoPro is continuing to use the exact same mounting system on every single one of their cameras, means that all of your previous accessories, as well as any new accessories that are out there for GoPros, will work with this camera. So in my personal opinion, this is one of the best cameras that GoPro has come out with so far. I'm kind of excited to see what they're going to come out with in the future. But if you just happen to be someone who loves to share and capture special moments and be able to share those moments with others, this is an absolutely great little product. If you want to check out the GoPro, make sure that you check down in the description. I've added some links not only to the GoPro itself, but also I've added a link to my GoPro Hero 10 recommended accessories, and you can check out those accessories, most of which I actually own, if not all, and see if any of those things might be something that will interest you to purchase to help you capture great video with your GoPro Hero 10. I truly thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you get great use out of your GoPro Hero 10, and I look forward to talking to you again in future videos.